Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar yen, I still definitely think this looks like 5 ways up for sure. We are at a Fibonacci level. We do have a pretty significant turn. There really is no proof that the wave 5 is over yet, but if it really is over, then eventually it probably would go down and take out the low of wave 4. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I was saying, there's really no proof that it's over yet because we don't have a break of structure yet. But we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 a Fibonacci bounce and positive down. If it keeps on going down and if it breaks and holds below structure, it probably will prove that this is the win of a wave 5 on these much higher time frames. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I've been saying for a while that I kind of expect this move down to possibly be a crutch into the uptrend. But I've also been saying for a week or so that because the daily time frame broke to the downside, that I am definitely looking for shorts on sort of time frames. And if it does just keep on trending down and I'm looking for shorts, and it doesn't matter to me if it keeps on going down, that's for sure. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci level. So if it does go up, make like a wave 4, go down, make a wave 5, then go up and break structure, that is what's going to turn me into a buyer at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of the uptrend. If it does not make this picture right here, then I am definitely going to continue to look for shorts at the end of every pullback I see, because it actually may be very possible that it will just keep on trending down from here. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we are at a Fibonacci level. The 78% is usually an area of resistance, whether it actually is a reversal or not, which means that it probably is going to go up from here, but most likely that move up will be a crutch into the move down. Like I was just explaining on the 4 hour, if it goes down, respects that again, goes up and breaks structure, that's what's going to turn me into a buyer. If it just, does this and then just keeps on going down, making lower lows, lower highs, then I will personally just keep on going short at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of this big downtrend, possibly the end of a wave 5 on the weekly and monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.